Hello! Well, look at what we got here. Another one from Tranya. So first I'd like to thank Tranya for sending me this product to review. Of course, they're not paying me, so everything that I say here is my opinion and my opinion alone. So for those of you that aren't familiar with this company, here's a little blurb from their website. Tranya is an audio brand with the deep passion in producing brilliant sound, which brings people energy, emotion, and entertainment. For the sound available for everyone, we never stop our steps in finding the best materials and utilizing the most sophisticated design to deliver a combination of strength, comfort, and incredible sound. Not only that, these are actually budget buds, and you can get them for about 50 bucks. They feature an aptX capable, powered by Qualcomm aptX codec. Tranya B530 delivers the highest sound quality and lets you get the most out of your music by hearing even the most smallest details. It ensures you to have the seamless audio experience with glitch-free connection. These things also have noise canceling technology. So they got a CVC 8.0 noise canceling on mic, suppresses background noises and brings advanced audio enhancements to deliver the best possible call quality. And the passive noise canceling design reduces 15 to 20 decibels of noise to help you focus. These things are one-step pairing. The B530 new version uses the latest Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip for easy setup, fast stable transmission. Simply tap the B530R or B530L, the right to the left channel, from the Bluetooth list to pair, and you're ready to go for uninterrupted music streaming. Now you could utilize this in mono or stereo mode. Both left and right earbuds are masters. Switching between different modes is now much easier. That simply pick up either earbud to automatically enter mono mode or pick up both earbuds to enter stereo mode. These things got a whopping 64-hour playback time. Get up to 8 hours of continuous music playing on a single charge. The portable charging case provides an extra 7 full recharges and keeps you powered on a long round trip. So those are just a few nuggets. Now let's get into the box. Alright, so up front we got the branding, Tranya of course, B530 true wireless earbuds, got a 12-month warranty. On the bottom right here we got Nano TI diaphragm, touch control, Bluetooth 5.0, HD calling, amazing battery life, and IPX5 waterproof. On the side right here it shows what you get in the box. We get the earbuds of course, the left and right earbuds, we get the charging case, silicone ear tips, 3 pairs, small, medium, and large, micro USB charging cable, and of course the user manual that nobody ever reads. On the back of the box it goes into a little more detail what the Nano TI diaphragm is. It delivers exceptional soundtrack with fine-tuned acoustics that perfectly adds clarity on punchy bass. Touch controls allows you to change the tracks, answer calls, and adjust the volume at the tap of your finger. HD calling ensures high-quality, crystal-clear calls by using CVC 8.0 noise canceling technology. Long battery life, like we talked about earlier, up to 8 hours of continuous playtime, 64 hours of playtime on the charging case. Efficiently prevents water and sweat from penetrating and damaging its sensitive components. And we got a solid connection. Creates smooth music for extended range and fewer dropouts. And on the other side, well, there's nothing to see there. So let's take them out of the box. So here we have some paperwork and stickers. Looks like if you register the product, we get an additional 3 months of warranty. And we got a sticker here. Hello, Tranya. Premium sound, 100% original, Tranya. And the instructions that nobody ever reads. Up top is where you're going to find your accessories. In this bag is where we have our ear tips. And here's our charging cable, USB-A to micro USB. No USB Type-C here. Once again, these are a budget pair, so we're not going to get the high-end USB Type-C here. So the last thing to get out would be the case and the buds. Here's a quick look at the case. The top, plastic of course, a glossy plastic. The bottom, still plastic, but this plastic is much more of a matte finish. There's our hinge for the lid. On this side, that's where you're gonna find your charging port. And if we open this up, the moment of truth. Here we have our Tranya B530 Bluetooth 5.0 truly wireless earbuds. Here's a closer look at them. So what's nice about these is there's no buttons. It's a touchpad, which I truly enjoy, especially for budget earbuds. I mean, kudos to you for doing that. Here's a look at the inside. Looks like we don't have proximity sensors. So when you put these in and you take them out, your music or whatever you're watching is going to continue to play, even if you have these outside of your ears. So, I mean, it'll stop once it starts charging, but other than that, it's going to continue to play. All right, so now that I got them out of the box, they're good to be paired. Let me pair them up, listen to them, and I'll be right back with you.
A few moments later.
All right, so I'm back from testing these out, so I got a good understanding as to what I like and what I don't like. And honestly, guys, I don't know what they put in this voodoo type of situation, but these are really good. And I believe I enjoyed the last pair that I tried from this company, and man, but this one just takes it to a whole new level. You know, for about 50 bucks, you really can't ask for too much. But these actually surpassed my expectations, and I am completely blown away, guys. So first off, sound quality on these, the sound is surprisingly good. The bass is not gonna blow your socks off bass, but it's there and it's definitely noticeable. The mids and the highs are tuned well as well. There is a problem though at the very high end when you put it at max volume. The high end tends to kind of pierce your ears a little bit too much. At least it does in my situation. So, you know, definitely don't put it at max volume. But even when I did put it at max volume, there was no distortion whatsoever. Connectivity was easy to pair, just like it said on the box. The comfort and fit, these are actually relatively small, so they do fit in your ear pretty discreetly. The touch panels, well, they work. You know, they may take some little getting used to. They're not as sensitive or as responsive as some of the other ones that I've tried, but it gets the job done. But probably the most interesting part of these earbuds is they stated that they got HD call quality. And sometimes they state that, and it really doesn't measure up. They state that, you know, noise canceling is a big deal with call quality. I don't think you get that when you're listening to music, but with call quality, it's supposed to stand out and do it automatically, I guess, because there's no app for this, so you can't turn it on or turn it off. But with the call quality, that surprised me. So a lot of times what I do is I go outside if it's a windy day, I test the call quality, I'll call my wife, I'll see, you know, ask her how do I sound, I'll see how she sounds, and you know, we'll judge it accordingly. This time it's not windy here and it's late at night, so I'm not gonna go outside, especially because we're quarantined, so I'm staying inside. So I decided to go in the bathroom, I turn on the fan, and you know, you guys know those fans in the bathroom, they're pretty loud and obnoxious because they got a lot of working to do, you know what I mean? So I turned it on and I was talking to my wife and she couldn't hear the fan whatsoever. I got really quiet and I was like, really? You can't hear the fan? And she was like, no, I can't hear the fan. And I was like, dang. So the next thing that I did is I have my pink noise fan close to my bed. So I got pretty close to that fan, turned it on max, and blew all the air that it could. And she still couldn't hear the fan. That is just amazing that these $50 earbuds have that capability. So one thing though, there's a caveat in that. My wife did sound a little bit quiet, a little bit quieter than she normally does on the phone. So even at max volume, it wasn't that loud. So there may be that issue. But as far as her hearing me in a windy, noisy environment, in an echoing environment, she was able to hear me really, really well. Now, of course, in regards to the case, you're not going to get high-end, top-quality materials. You're going to get plastic, and so take that, you know, as you may. But for the price, 50 bucks, you know, hey, especially in times like these where money is getting kind of scarce, if you need something that may just help you drown out the world, these might be the right pickup. So just like every other video, you know, if you have any questions, any comments, anything you want to talk about, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Tranya B530 truly wireless earbuds, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Handsome Gadgets. Thank you and have a good one.